Welcome back to this video. If you use MTN line and you are running out of airtime, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to request for a airtime from a friend from MTN to MTN line. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do to head over to your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to dial *321#. The next thing you need to do is to hit on send. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and type in 1 and hit on send. Then it takes you right here. What you need to do right here is to click on here and type in 2, hit on send. Then request airtime for a friend. The next thing you need to do is to click on here and click on 1. Then hit on send. Enter sponsor phone number. So enter the number of the friend right here. Then hit on send. Enter the amount. Hit on send. Your request for airtime to this has been delivered. So what you need to do is to simply hit on OK. It's as simple. And the person is going to credit your account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.